Hi, it's Rich at Rich's Mobile Auto Repair. What we're looking at here is the windshield wipers on a 2014 Jeep Wrangler. If you notice, they're going too far on the A-pillar and they hit the body at the bottom, the cowl area. And that is because your wiper bushings are worn out. And so to check these, you can come up and grab your wipers and feel all that play in it. That's why it's over traveling, extra play. So in this case, I'm going to order up a windshield wiper transmission, which is the linkage between both sides of the wiper arms. And it's triangulated on this one. There's actually 3 bushings. The bushings are about $15 a piece online. You can get a wiper transmission or linkage for about $50 online. So that's what I'm going to do. You're just going to take your cowl off, your arms off, and change that out.